The market theme, the spotlight now shifts decisively to Q1 FY27 earnings, where corporate commentary will determine whether Dalal Street bulls can extend their momentum. The good news, Nifty appears poised to shrug off the US-Iran conflict, with WTI crude stabilizing near $72 per barrel, easing inflation concerns and improving risk appetite. FII watch, sustained FII buying could become the next major bullish catalyst, especially if expectations of a more dovish Fed and RBI continue to strengthen. The big risk, the Strait of Hormuz remains the biggest wildcard. Any disruption to oil supplies could quickly revive volatility. Our call of the day, the path of least resistance remains upward. However, this week's earnings season will determine whether Nifty can mount a decisive challenge towards its 200 DMA near 24,846. The big picture, this is a market dominated by bargain hunters and value pickers, with every meaningful dip attracting fresh buying. The Gyan Mantra: look for fundamentally strong, technically bullish stocks that are temporarily out of favor. Today's bargains often become tomorrow's leaders. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's rebounding session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2604 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2020 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty appears headed for massive rebound play with buy on dips as preferred theme. FANO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index dropped towards 12.25 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has firmed up higher towards 95.55 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.14 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.94. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.76. Midcap Nifty is at 1.06. Nifty outlook, the baton has passed from geopolitics to earnings. The quality of management commentary will decide Dalal Street's next big move. If corporate India's Q1 earnings continue to surprise positively, Nifty's march towards its 200 DMA near 24,846 could gather momentum. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,207. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,991 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,602 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,100 and 24,400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,569. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,259 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 79,367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,200 to 78,200. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,046. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,750 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,707 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,700 and 58,700. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The US-Iran conflict remains the biggest overhang, with fears over energy supplies and the Strait of Hormuz keeping investors on edge. Sectors likely to outperform. 1. Information technology. Positive read-through from TCS strong Q1 earnings and encouraging Q2 commentary. Focus will turn towards HCL Tech Q1. 2. Private banks and financials FII inflows and the start of the earnings season could keep the sector in limelight. 3. Consumer discretionary jewelry strong Q1 business updates continue to support sentiment. Sectors likely to underperform. Oil marketing companies, OMCs. Aviation. Auto. Paints and chemicals. Stocks to watch: defensive pharma, financials and quality domestic plays remain preferred, while crude-sensitive sectors and stocks facing company-specific headwinds may continue to underperform. Positive bias: Divi's Lab, Sun Pharma, PNB Housing Finance, Up Capital, APL Apollo Tubes, Fortis, HDFC Bank, Home First Finance, Mankind Pharma, Lupin, Eternal, Kalyan Jewellers, Larsen. Negative bias: Vertical Bar Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, BPCL, HPCL, Interglobe Aviation, Indigo, Trent, DR Reddy's Lab, Maruti Suzuki. Q1 FY27 earnings today Monday, 13th July. HCL Technologies, IT. ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, ICICI AMC, AMC.